Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be cooking a quick meal, something I like to cook a lot. Well, not a lot, but I don't know when last I made it, but I really like it. So stay tuned, let's go. Right now I have the peas boiling, as lentils. I have it boiling and stuff. And if we go over here, I'm trying to make some dumplings. It's not enough for me alone, but I'm going to add some more. So let's get into it. To add more flour to it because that's not enough for me. Now I'm going to add some salt. Because I want my dumpling with taste. And then add a little bit of water. I'm trying not to get my hands too dirty, but I see that's what I have to do. So you just mix it up. Oh, I put too much water, so I have to add more flour. I'm really doing things in here, see? To add more flour. Let's see, since I'm going to finish the jar of flour. I hate when you're doing that. As soon as I'm done with the dumplings, I have to start cutting up the little seasoning I have. Oh, just she doesn't fly all on the counter. See? Add a little bit more flour too, because to me it's too sticky. Okay, so now I'm going to create the dumplings. Ugh. So I like to roll it up first, like this. And then I like to do this. So I could get some nice small dumplings. You see? I like to do this. I'll take a knife and I would just cut it like that and just drop it in. So it should look like this. So guys, I will see you all when I'm done doing that one and the other one. So now that I'm done, this is how it looks. see. So yeah, so now that my peas is boiling up, just stir it around. And then, so guys, I forgot to tell y'all that I added some saltfish into the peas. I forgot to tell you that. But yeah, anyways, I was just chopping up the seasoning. So far I have sweet peppers, garlic, and onions. So I have to chop up the celery or whatever you're calling it. I don't know. I have to cut up the tiloyo, and I think that's celery. If you know the name of it, can you please comment it below, because I really need to know. But yeah, that's what I'm about. That's what I'm doing right now. So I'll see y'all when I'm done chopping everything. Yeah. Got some of this baby right here. There's no measurement when you're cooking that, let me see. It's just pour until you think it's right. So now I'm just going to let the dumplings cook in that, and then we'll see when we're done, guys. Guys, this is how it looks right now. It looks somewhat ready. So I guess I will see you when this is done. And guys, look at this. It's done. I know y'all can see the steam. I know y'all can see it. In that weather, guys, the best. Let me show you what the weather looking like. You see what it looks like, guys? This is what it looks like. So that's the best weather to eat it in. So watching, I hope you guys try it out. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends. If you have made this before, let me know in the comments, guys. Without further ado, this video has ended. Peace.